Big changes are coming to OR Tambo International Airport, and they're going to affect every traveler landing in Johannesburg. Starting this year, South Africa is updating its entire immigration system, new digital entry checks, new border stamps, and new rules that could delay or even deny your entry if you're not prepared. These updates are already rolling out, and they're catching travelers by surprise. From electronic travel authorizations to biometric verification at immigration, the way you enter South Africa is changing fast. Stay with me for the next few minutes. I'll break down exactly what's new, what you must do before you fly, and the proven shortcuts that'll help you glide through immigration while everyone else is still stuck in line. Why this matters. South Africa has officially modernized its immigration process, and OR Tambo International Airport is leading the change. This is the busiest airport in Africa, handling millions of passengers every year, and now, it's shifting to a fully digital border system. From August 2025, travelers will face new entry and exit stamps, electronic travel authorizations known as ETAs, and automated online visa verification before boarding. Airlines will check your approval digitally before you even reach Johannesburg. This isn't a minor update. If you skip one of these new steps or use outdated paperwork, you could be stopped at check-in, denied boarding, or refused entry on arrival. These new systems are already in effect for select countries and expanding fast, so understanding them before your trip is now essential. The top 5 changes every traveler needs to know. Let's count down the top 5 immigration changes every traveler needs to know before flying into OR Tambo International Airport in 2025. These aren't rumors or future plans. These are confirmed updates from South Africa's Department of Home Affairs, already rolling out across all major ports of entry. Each one will affect how you arrive, clear immigration, and even how you exit the country. From redesigned passport stamps to a new electronic visa system, this list will make sure you land prepared, move faster, and avoid the mistakes that are costing travelers time, money, and missed connections every single day. The new immigration stamp design starting August 2025, South Africa has introduced a brand new standardized entry and exit stamp that will be used across all airports, including OR Tambo. At first glance, it might look like a small change, but it's an important one. This new stamp format is designed to link directly with the country's digital immigration database, meaning every detail, your entry date, visa type, and stay duration, is now automatically recorded and verified. Here's why this matters. If your passport is stamped with the wrong category, or the date isn't visible, it could cause serious trouble when you try to leave the country. Immigration officers now cross-check stamps with the digital record, and any mismatch can result in delays or fines. Before you walk away from the counter, take 5 seconds to check your stamp. Make sure it shows the correct date and matches your travel purpose, whether that's tourism, business, or transit. It's a small move that could save you hours of airport stress later. ETA, the Electronic Travel Authorisation. This is the biggest change South Africa has introduced in years. The ETA is a digital pre-approval that travelers must obtain before boarding their flight. It replaces the old visa on arrival process for many nationalities and is designed to make border control faster, more secure, and fully online. As of now, the ETA system is already active for citizens of Kenya and is expanding rapidly to include travelers from China, India, and Mexico by late 2025, with more countries to follow. If you fall under the ETA requirement and show up without it, your airline won't even let you check in. No ETA means no boarding, no exceptions. The process itself is simple. You apply online through the official South Africa ETA portal, upload your passport details, pay the small processing fee, and receive digital approval usually within a few days. Once approved, your ETA is automatically linked to your passport, so when you arrive at OR Tambo, immigration officers can instantly verify your entry clearance. To stay ahead, always confirm whether your nationality requires an ETA before you fly. Search South Africa ETA 2025 official site, apply early, and travel knowing you're fully cleared to enter Johannesburg without surprises. Digital biometric checks. OR Tambo International Airport is now rolling out full biometric verification for all arriving and departing travelers. This means fingerprints, facial scans, and automated e-gates are replacing many of the old manual checks. The goal is to make processing faster, more secure, and entirely digital, but it also means the system is less forgiving of small errors. Every traveler's face and fingerprints are now matched against the digital immigration record linked to their passport. If anything doesn't line up, maybe your photo looks different, your passport is worn out, or you're wearing glasses or a hat, the system can automatically flag you for secondary screening. To avoid delays, make sure your passport photo reflects your current look. Trim the beard if it's drastically different from your photo, and keep your face clear during scanning. Remove hats, sunglasses, or masks when you reach the biometric gate. These new checks are part of South Africa's shift to smarter borders, and they already live at OR Tambo's main international terminal. A few seconds of preparation will make your arrival smoother, and help you move through immigration like a pro. Online visa and AMP pre-check updates. South Africa has officially moved away from paper-based processing. Visas, travel confirmations, and even arrival cards are now handled digitally through the new online immigration platform. This system connects directly with airlines, meaning your visa or ETA is verified before you even reach the boarding gate. In practical terms, this means if your ETA or visa isn't approved and registered in the digital system, you won't be allowed to check in or board your flight to Johannesburg. The old days of arriving with printed paperwork and sorting it out at immigration are gone. Before you travel, open your email and confirm that your approval notice came from the official South African portal. Save a copy on your phone, tablet, and cloud storage, just in case you lose signal or battery at the airport. Immigration officers at OR Tambo can scan your passport and instantly see your authorization status, so being organized puts you ahead of the crowd. No ETA means no boarding. Always verify your digital visa or travel authorization well before your departure date to make your arrival in South Africa seamless and stress-free. Stricter exit and transit controls. This is the part most travelers aren't hearing about yet, but it's one of the biggest changes coming to OR Tambo International Airport. By late 2025, South Africa will begin automatically matching your entry and exit records through a new integrated border management system. Every passport scan, every stamp, and every ETA approval is linked in real time. Here's what that means for you. If you overstay your visa, even by a single day, the system will flag it automatically. You could face on-the-spot fines, future entry bans, or visa rejections for your next trip. The days of slipping past unnoticed are over. There's also a new rule affecting connecting travelers. Depending on your nationality and itinerary, some passengers transiting through Johannesburg may now be required to clear immigration before catching their next flight, even during short layovers. This is part of a tighter global security standard and applies especially if you're changing from an international to a domestic route. So before booking your return ticket, check your visa duration carefully and confirm the latest transit rules with your airline. A few minutes of planning could save you from hours of airport trouble, or a costly mistake that keeps you from returning to South Africa in the future. Step-by-step arrival guide. Here's your quick step-by-step survival guide for a smooth arrival at OR Tambo International Airport. Before your flight, Apply for your ETA early, ideally 2 weeks before departure. Once it's approved, print your confirmation and keep a digital copy on your phone. Pack a hard copy of your return ticket too, since immigration officers often ask to see proof of onward travel. When you land, follow the international arrivals signs and head straight to immigration. Have your passport open, your ETA email or QR code ready, and be prepared to remove hats or glasses for biometric verification. Once you're stamped in, take a moment to double-check that your entry date and visa type are correct before leaving the desk. After clearance, proceed to baggage claim. If you have a connecting domestic flight, follow the signs for domestic transfers. This saves you from collecting and rechecking your luggage. On average, immigration processing at OR Tambo now takes around 30 to 45 minutes during non-peak hours, but mornings are usually the quickest. A little preparation before you fly means you'll clear immigration faster, collect your bags smoothly, and start your trip to Johannesburg without stress. Top 3 travel hacks to save time. Let's wrap this up with 3 quick hacks that can save you serious time at OR Tambo International Airport. Hack number 3. Apply for your ETA at least 2 weeks before your trip. Even though the approval process is usually fast, delays can happen when systems are overloaded or new countries are added to the ETA rollout. Early approval means you're ready to board without last-minute stress. Hack number 2. Use the fast-track immigration option if your airline or ticket class offers it. After a long-haul flight, that lane is worth every rand. You'll clear security in minutes while others queue for nearly an hour. Hack number 1. Take a screenshot of both your ETA approval and your passport stamp once you arrive. If you ever need to verify your entry details for hotel check-in, onward flights, or departure, you'll have proof right on your phone. And here's a quick bonus tip. Keep about 200 rand in cash. Some airport payment machines still glitch or go offline, and having small cash handy can save you when you least expect it. Future outlook. This is just phase 1. South Africa's border transformation is far from over. By 2026, the country aims to introduce fully digital borders with real-time entry and exit tracking at major airports, including OR Tambo in Johannesburg, Cape Town International, and King Shaka in Durban. These upgrades will expand the Electronic Travel Authorisation system to more countries, introduce faster e-gates for biometric entry, and connect immigration, customs, and airline data into a single secure network. The goal is simple: smarter travel, tighter security, and faster clearance for legitimate visitors. In short, South Africa is building one of the most advanced border systems in Africa. If you stay updated and follow the new digital process, your next arrival at OR Tambo could be faster and smoother than ever. If you're flying to South Africa soon, take this as your wake-up call. The rules have changed, and you don't want to find out at the airport. Double-check your visa or ETA status right now. Apply early, confirm your approval email, and travel with printed proof. Share this video with anyone heading to Johannesburg. It might save them hours at immigration or even prevent a denied boarding. And if you want real-time updates on airport and visa changes, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below and tell me where you're flying from. I'll personally reply with the latest ETA rollout info for your country. Stay ready, travel smart, and I'll see you on your next smooth arrival at OR Tambo.